G'day everybody. Well, I figured I'd do a bit of a video on the hammer mill since I got it out and finally got the thing working. It's powered by a 2.5 horsepower, 180 volt DC treadmill motor, which is here in the back of it. Being a DC motor, I do need a rectifier for it, which is what's inside this. This is the terminal box off an old microwave oven magnetron. Just repurposed it to house the bridge rectifier, which is up inside there. You've got your AC in from a V-rack, and it goes through the rectifier and then just stuffs it straight into the motor. It's got plenty of power, more than enough power in it. Put a nice little protective guard over it as well so that I don't get anything caught in it, because you've got to be really careful around these with loose clothes and stuff. The outer casing is made of 6mm thick mild steel. We've got a 2.5mm thick backing plate, and then another probably about 2mm thick stainless front cover. Got a little toggle here as well so you can open it up. And I've also put some draft excluder around, and I do recommend you do that if you build your own, because that helps provide a nice seal and it stops particles and crap spraying out. Here's the hammers. They are probably 30mm long by 3.5mm thick stainless steel, which was painted. They got plenty of weight in them as well. There's an old car wheel hub as the main hub for the actual mill. That's just welded straight onto the treadmill motor flywheel, so it's pretty much direct drive. Then we got these little anvil, deflection anvils I put in here. What these do is they actually help keep material circulating around inside, because there's a little bit of a space between the hammers and the back plate. So that's what those are there for. They just help that. They make a major difference. We've got a 3mm diameter hold mesh screen for the discharge. And that works really well, breaking up shell grit and stuff, which is what I'm going to be putting through this today. And a little discharge chute. Just part of an old water heater exhaust actually, for a gas heater. That just lets all the material go straight down into a collection tub. I'm going to demonstrate on some of this. This is shell grit. We feed it to the chooks over there, but this is way too big for them to eat, so run it through the machine, we'll break it down and show you the end product. Cool, so always make sure you wear safety glasses with machines like this, especially shredding hard particles. Power on. Very quiet machine as well, which is good. That rattles a bit, but bloody tree in the way. few issues with balance on those hammers I'm going to have to deal with, but when I get up to speed, you see it doesn't move around much. And here's your end product. There's a few little particles and things that work their way through the side of the screen, but this is it. Pretty much turns it into sand, which is what I'm after. Breaks it down really well. I mean, compared to what it goes in as, it does a really nice job on breaking it up. I don't want to go putting any e-waste or anything through it yet, because this is all going to be this is consumables for the chooks, so I don't actually want to go put any hazardous through it yet. But once I've finally gotten rid of the rest of that and cleaned it, we'll start putting some little circuit boards and CDs and stuff through it. So when I first finished it, I put a couple of CDs through it and I broke those up, no problem at all. So I'll do another video once I get all this done on feed some other oddball stuff to it. But other than that, that's the hammer mill. Very easy to build, didn't cost me much because I got the motor for free and the wheel hub for free as well, and the rest of it's all just thin sheet metal I've salvaged. Yeah, the only steel I did buy was that and the toggle. That cost a bit, but they're a good little project and it works really well. Hope you enjoyed it, and thanks for watching.